Welcome to Photobook. In this video we will go through the steps of viewing and organizing your online books. Tapping My Bookshelf lists all the photobooks you currently have. These are organized in several shelves. The first three are system shelves. The in-shelf section lists all the books that have been sent to you or that you have purchased. In this example, 2 books have been sent to you. The favorite shelf is a convenient way of organizing the books that are currently or often being used. The published shelf lists all the books that you have published. To view any book, just select the book and tap the display book icon. The first page of the book is displayed, and you can progress through the book by swiping right or left. You can also use the 2 arrows on either side of the page. The name of the book appears at the top of the page. Tapping this brings down a drop-down navigation menu. Let's close this book by tapping on the close window icon. You can easily create your own shelves. Let's create a new bookshelf. Tap the plus icon. Enter a name for the bookshelf and tap the accept icon. The bookshelf is created and appears in your list. You can now move any book from the in-shelf to the new bookshelf by selecting the book and tapping on the Move Shelf icon. Select the shelf from the list and tap the Accept button. The book now appears in the selected shelf. At the top of the bookshelf window is a sharing icon. This allows you to share any book with anyone in your contact list. Note that, in Photobook, books are treated as physical books. So, when you share or lend a book to someone, it is no longer on your bookshelf. If you wish to have it returned, you will need to rely on the goodwill of the other party to return it to you.